everyone, I'm Kangan Fauzdar and you're watching Weekly Highlights. Let's start with the first news. The annual meeting of the Ekal Gram organization was held at Terapanth Bhavan, Chhatarpur, Delhi, under the guidance of Shri Alok Kumar. Representatives from 10 divisions across the country and senior volunteers participated in the two-day meet. Across 11 sessions, key presentations were made on organizational roles, urban-rural coordination, youth and women participation, education, activities, planning and worker development. Discussions on challenges became emotional when the Women's Department shared ground-level sensitivities and travel-related difficulties. Campaign in charge Shri Rajesh Goyal emphasized the need for expanding membership as part of future planning. In his concluding address, Shri Alok Kumar highlighted the importance of Ekal Vidyalayas, focused attention on border and tribal regions, and the need for discipline and commitment to organizational objectives. The vote of thanks was delivered by patron Shri Indra Mohan Agarwal. Shri Ramesh Shah, Shri Prem Asudani, and Shri Mukesh and Kalyani Bhatt, who arrived from the United States, were on a visit to Ayodhya and Prayagraj. During the visit, they reviewed model Sanch projects operated through EVFI in Bikapur and Sehsong, including CTL, WEC and Ekal Vidyalayas. The delegation also held review meetings with the Acharyas, Arogya Sevikas and local committees of both regions, appreciating the on-ground efforts and progress of the initiatives. A grand inauguration of a Women Empowerment Center was held at Shakti Farm in the Khatima zone under the support of the Ekal Gramothan Foundation. The program witnessed the presence of Central Co-Campaign Head Shri Khemanand Sapkota, Chief Guest Dr. Parth Pratim, National Secretary of Lok Bharati, Srimati Suman Haldar, Vice President of the Starganj Pradhan Sangh, Srimati Sadhana, and Senior Businessman Shri Mahendra Agarwal. The program outline was presented by Divisional Campaign Head Shri Arvind Kanojia. Under Ekal Abhiyan Uttarakhand Kumaon Division, a Van Yatra program was successfully organized in Sundarpur and Udaynagar villages of the Dineshpur area, Udham Singh Nagar district by the Bharat Lok Shiksha Parishad, Rudrapur chapter. Key attendees included Srimati Sadhana Gupta, President of the Women's Committee, North Delhi chapter, Vijay Bhushan Garg, President of the Rudrapur chapter, Executive President Dinesh Kapoor, and Central Co-Campaign Head of Ekal Abhiyan, Shri Khemanand Sapkota. The event was further enriched by cultural performances presented by Ekal Vidyalaya students. Under the Mahakaushal division of Ekal Abhiyan, a grand welcome was accorded to the Ekal Shri Hari Mandir Rath at Ekal Vidyalaya village, Kanori, Shahdol zone. As part of the Rath Yatra, the Rath toured the entire village, followed by the traditional worship of the Gram Devta. The procession commenced from the Sharda Mata temple, passing through major village routes and concluded at the Gram Devta site with rituals performed as per tradition. Worship of Lord Ram enshrined in the Rath was conducted, followed by evening Aarti and Hanuman Chalisa recitation at the Hanuman and Budi Mata temples. A devotional satsang was organized during the night. A grand cultural program titled Bharat Ke Rang Ekal Ke Sang was organized by Ekal Abhiyan Angul at the Angul Auditorium. The Ekal Surtal team presented a captivating blend of Indian culture, devotion, folk melodies and patriotic spirit, filling the auditorium with chants of Jai Shri Ram and Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Distinguished guests included Pratap Pratimaya, ADM Angul, Ashok Das, television and film actor, Sapna Rani Singh, Odisha dance teacher, and Virendra Pradhan, artist and organization actor. The program was chaired by Shri Vijay Modi, while overall arrangements were managed by Shri Bhogdev Pradhan. A large number of citizens, families and youth from Angul participated enthusiastically. The soulful performances deeply moved the audience and reinforced pride in Indian culture and dedication to Ekal's mission. So that was it for the weekly highlights. Keep watching Ekal Bharat.